these pajelli hoochos were stupid.
You did?
Yep, but they're so comfortable.
You know why?
Yep, because they're pajamas.
They're jeans.
They're leggings.
It's a hoodie.
It's a poncho.
It's a
pajelli hoocho. It's been 3 days since
you two kissed? I know. I saw it with both my eyes. You guys were talking and then she kissed you and you didn't stop her. Why didn't you tell me? You should have told me. Do you like her? Is this a new chapter in our lives? What is going on?
I can't fix him. Because no one can fix him. Because he's dead.
I should probably go to sleep.
Okay.
Okay.
Okay. Perhaps okay will be our always.
Welcome to the vlog, you guys. It's 11:31. I've been up since like 9:45. Yeah, what she said. It's very, what she said. It's very rainy and but it's already March 1st. This year is going by really fast. Hasn't it, Mama? Yeah. You want to do Grey's Anatomy tomorrow night?
Yeah.
Did we watch last week's? It seems like this week's going by slow, but I don't even know if we got one on DVR. I don't know. Well, I guess if we haven't, Troy would have said it by now. We would have watched it, right? So yeah, we can either watch the new one tonight, or we can just. Oh, The Price is Right is back on. Talk to you guys later. All right, you guys. It's 1:27. I made brownies all by myself. The timer is still going. We got like 13 minutes left before they're done. I wanted something for lunch, but I didn't know what I want. But I remember we had a box of brownies in there, so I decided to make brownies. Hopefully they're as good as they were last time. Because last time they were really good.
Hey, she said, do you love me? I tell her only partly. I only love my bed and my mom. I'm sorry. 50 dub, I even got it tatted on me. 81.
You guys, 11:52. The 1:52. The brownies are done and cool. I might be the new brownie maker of the family.
They're really good.
Second time I made them. The first time I made them basically all by myself.
You did this one all by yourself? Good job.
Oh, God.
I will always want you. We fought, we chained our hearts in vain.
Alright, guys, it's 11:56. I'm gonna get to bed. I'm about to brush through my hair. Gotta get up kind of early in the morning to get a shower and get an apron for breakfast. Go get baseball tickets for Saturday's game and stuff. Michaela only has one class tomorrow because she was canceled, but she's not gonna go to that, and because she has spring break next week. So tomorrow's gonna be her first day of spring break. It's her first ever college spring break, so yeah. Gonna get up at 8:15, get in the shower, and get ready to. But if you like today's video, give me a thumbs up, subscribe, and leave a comment down below. I'll see you guys tomorrow. But first, I have to show you this month's picture on my daily wants count. Here's the picture, and one of the vlogs they put all these balls from a ball pit they ordered on like eBay or something, and put them in their playroom. So yeah. That's the picture for the month. But like I was saying earlier, if you like today's video, give me a thumbs up, subscribe, and leave a comment down below. I'll see you guys tomorrow.